Unboxing the new drill machine JCB Bosch JCB 10 RE home. Now as you can see, I have removed the outer layer. आप देख सकते हैं कि मैंने इसकी outer layer उतार दी है. Fussy, see, oh, it's open. Wait, oh, it's like this. Two locks, Bosch sign of its. Check it. It opens this way, that way. Let me check. I was thinking, मैं सोच रहा था ये खुल क्यों नहीं रहा. Then I saw it was sticked over here. A sticker labeled with a barcode. That side, oh, there's also a sticker, but it's not sticked on the opening. You can see price also, the RPM, watt, mm, how the chuck does it take. So I'll give the continued review of this. By using this tool we can clear this. So start clearing. So I have cut it with this tool. So let's see what's inside this. Now you can see it's opened. It's all, you can see the drill machine and all the things are here and there. As you can see, it was shuffled many times. So now we're going to check the drill machine. Get ready. As you can see, I opened it and plugged in. It's working fine, clockwise and anti-clockwise, working in both ways. There are two features also. This is to drill on something. This I have done on this way. It is to screw something. It has one more feature. If you slowly press this, it accelerates like a pedal. You can see when I press it more, it accelerates and its speeds get faster and faster. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, मैं इसको धीरे दबाता हूँ तो धीरे चलेगी, तेज दबाऊंगा तो तेज भागेगी. Working very nice. So it look to the toolbox. A hammer. Oh, a tool which is just. Oh, what's this? Let's see. These are the wrench nut, hammer, plier, a wrench, drill bits, wood metals, and other things. A cutter. And what's this? Oh, a screwer. For a screwer, fits in this to tighten up the wrenches. So screws. Oh, one is fallen over here. I was thinking one is been misplaced. Oh, take it out. Come out. Oh, it has come out. Now we'll place it over here. It's not fitting. We can screw it also. See, some bits are also there. This screw nails, holder, expanders of different sizes. So for me, it's a great thumbs up for the drill machine. I will give you a quick link in the description below. Okay, thank you, bye bye.